In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an AC discharge line on a Subaru Forester. It's located in the engine bay area. Before you do this job, you need to bring your vehicle to a shop and have your AC system evacuated. Your AC line attaches to your AC compressor right here. There's a bolt missing on this cover. You're going to need to remove that bolt first before you remove your line. You have a 12mm bolt that bolts your line to your compressor. You need to remove that. You can remove your line from your compressor by pulling it to the right. You have another bolt over here on your other side of your line that bolts it to the AC condenser. You need to remove that. Take your line, pull straight out. And there's your line. Before you install your line, you want to check your two O-rings for any cracks or rips. These two are fine. Let's get ready to install. You can start off by installing it down here onto your AC condenser. Just push the line on and install your bolt. You can install it by hand first. Now onto your other end, where it installs onto the AC compressor. Same thing. Push it onto the compressor and install your bolt. Now you want to snug your two 12mm bolts. Make sure both ends are secure. Once your line is secure, bring your vehicle back to the shop and have your AC system recharged.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.